Have you ever needed to send a highly sensitive voice message on WhatsApp? Maybe you are sharing a password, a secret code, or just some personal information that you absolutely do not want the other person to save or forward to anybody else. Well, WhatsApp has a brilliant privacy feature that allows you to send a view once audio message. This means the exact second the person finishes listening to your voice note, it will completely self-destruct and vanish from the chat forever. Welcome back to Gen2 Solutions, your guide to better tech. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to use this hidden feature in just a few simple steps. Let us get into it. Before we start, make sure you head over to the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store and update your WhatsApp to the latest version to ensure you have this brand new feature active on your device. Once you are updated, go ahead and open up WhatsApp and tap on the chat of the person you want to send the private audio to. Normally, when you send a voice note, you just tap and hold the green microphone button. But for this trick, I need you to tap and hold the microphone icon and quickly swipe your finger up towards the top of the screen. This will lock the microphone in place so you can record hands-free. Now, as you are recording your secret message, look right above the send button. You are going to see a tiny little circle icon with a number 1 inside of it. This is the magic View Once button. Tap on that little number 1 icon and it will turn green. A quick pop-up will appear on your screen, letting you know that the voice message is now set to view once. Once you see that green icon, go ahead and hit the send button. Now let us talk about what happens on the other end. When your friend receives this message, it will not look like a normal playable voice note. It will just show a little bubble that says voice message with that same number 1 icon. They cannot play it from the main chat screen. They actually have to tap on it to open it up in a secure private screen. As soon as they listen to it and close that screen, the audio is gone forever. It deletes itself instantly. They cannot save it to their phone, they cannot forward it to another chat, and WhatsApp blocks them from even trying to screen record the audio. It is the ultimate privacy tool for your daily conversations. Have you tried using this View Once audio feature yet? Let me know down in the comments below. If you found this simple tutorial helpful today, please do me a huge favor and smash that like button. And do not forget to subscribe to Gen2 Solutions for more easy-to-follow tech tips and smartphone hacks. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next video.